Very good morning, students. Today our topic is instrumental analysis, pH metry. pH metry. Okay, the contents present in this pH metry: aim, introduction, working principle of instrument, materials and method for sample analysis, applications. See, aim to study about pH meter. This is the pH meter electrode. To study about pH meter, that is our aim for this topic. See, introduction. The pH meter was invented in 1934 by the American chemist Arnold O. Beckman, 1900 to 2004. 1900 to 2004. His duration is 1900 to 2004. He proposed measure the sourness of lemons. The pH meter was invented by American scientist Arnold O. Beckman. Arnold O. Beckman, okay, for the usage of measure the sourness of lemons in the year 1934. A simple and speedy device to measure the acidity and alkalinity of a fluid. A simple and speedy device to measure the acidity and alkalinity of a fluid. pH means potential of hydrogen. pH means potential of hydrogen. The logarithm of the reciprocal of hydrogen ion concentration is gram atoms per liter, provides a measure on a scale from 0 to 14 of acidity or alkalinity of a solution, where 7 is neutral and greater than 7 is more basic and less than 7 is more acidic. The logarithm of the reciprocal of the hydrogen ion concentration in gram atoms per liter is known as pH. The formal definition of pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion activity. See the formula of pH. pH equals to minus log H plus concentration brackets. That means the negative logarithm of H plus ions concentrations is known as pH. Working principle of instrument. When a pair of electrodes or a combined electrode, that is glass electrode or calomel electrode, is dipped in an aqueous solution, a potential is developed across the thin glass of the bulb. The EMF of the complete cell formed by linking of these two electrodes at a given solution temperature is therefore E equals to E reference electrode minus E glass electrode. E reference electrode, the potential of stable calomel electrode which at normal room temperature plus 0.250. E glass electrode, the potential of glass electrode which depends on the pH of the solution under test. A pH meter acts as a voltmeter that measures the electrical potential differences between a pH electrode and a reference electrode and displays the result in terms of the pH value of the solution in which they are immersed. An electrical potential develops when one liquid is brought into contact with another one, but a membrane is needed to keep such a liquid part. Okay, these are the electrodes used in a pH meter. Okay, calomel glass electrode or reference electrode. Materials and method for sample analysis. A pH measurement system consisting of two probes, buffer powder capsules for calibration, high input meter, distilled water. The pH measuring electrode is a hydrogen ion sensitive glass bulb, that is glass electrode. The reference electrode output does not vary with the activity of the hydrogen ion. These are the materials requirement for the sample analysis of pH meter. See the types of electrode. The first one is saturated calomel electrode. We already know in previous videos. Next one, glass electrode. This is the reference electrode. Okay, calomel electrode, glass electrode, reference junction, reference electrode. Okay, calomel electrode, it consisting of a glass tube containing saturated KCl connecting to platinum white through mercury chloride. Okay, this is the calomel electrode. Okay, glass electrode, it consisting thin bulb of plus a special glass blown lithium at the end of the glass tube, and the bulb is filled with dilute acid, for example decinormal HCl acid connected to a silver chloride electrode. Okay, this is the glass electrode. Reference junction typically made of porous Teflon material. This is the reference junction. These are the types of electrodes. See, combined electrode, it is easier to handle one electrode instead of two. The indicating glass electrode and the reference electrode are simply built into a single physical entity. This helps to ensure that the two electrodes have the same temperature during operation. This is a combined electrode. Temperature and buffers. Okay, in calibration of pH meter, we use a buffer capsules, buffer solution. Temperature compensation is contained within the instrument because pH electrodes are temperature sensitive. Temperature compensation only corrects for the change in the output of the electrode, not for the change in the actual solution. Buffers are solutions that have constant pH values and the ability to resist changes in pH. They are used to calibrate the pH meter. There are three types of buffer capsules available in laboratory. Okay, one is buffer capsule pH 4.0. This is the acidic buffer capsule. Another one is pH 9.2. This is basic buffer capsule. Another one is pH 7. This is the neutral buffer capsule. These three types of buffer capsule solutions used in calibration of pH meter. Method of using. The two probes should connect to pH reading meter. The two probes are connected to pH meter. Connect the power pack of 230 volts to the pH meter. Dip the electrode in a standard solution of pH and set the temperature and take reading. The first probe should be calibrated with different buffer solution for rule out the errors of the electrode. Buffer solution means buffer powder plus distilled water. Then should check the solution temperature with second probe. Remove buffers, wash and wipe the electrode and dip it in the desirable solution and take the reading. This is the calibration step of the calibration step and measurement of the pH value of pH meter. Okay, here two probes are the two different buffer solutions. In this we use two different buffer solution for the calibration. After calibration of the instrument, take a sample solution in a 100 ml beaker, place the electrode into a sample solution, then note down the pH value of the particular sample solution. See applications. pH have vast application. Okay, there are so many applications of pH. In first one, hospital sector. Hospital sector pH meter is used. Second one, universities. Third one, pharmaceutical companies. Next one, research institutes or laboratories. Measure soil pH for healthier plants. Measure soil pH for healthier plants. See, this is the chart to represent applications of the pH. Here pH have one of the strong acid solutions, that is the battery acid H2SO4 consisting of a pH 1. Next 2, lemon consisting of a pH value is 2. Lemon pH value is 2. Next third one, okay, cool drinks consisting of a 3 pH value. Next one, tomato Tomato consisting of pH value is 4. Banana consisting of pH value 5. Next one, eggs consisting of these are not eggs, these are the potatoes consisting of a pH value is 6. Drinking water consisting of pH value is 7, that is the neutral. Water pH value is neutral. Next one, eggs having 7 point something. Okay, 7 point something, that is nearly 8. Egg pH value is nearly 8. Next, 9 baking soda. Baking soda pH value is 9. Okay, next 10 is antiseptic liquid. Next 11 is the milk. Next 12 is the next 13, next 14. These are the similar examples of the pH application. Whatever it is, pH meter having different applications. Okay, like tooth decay infections, toothpaste consisting of above 8 pH value. Okay, next one, urine analysis. Urine pH value have 4.8 to 7.5, that is the fixed value. Rainwater consisting of 5.6 pH value. Okay, next one, soda water. Goli soda water, Goli soda water consisting of a pH value is it's also 5.6. And chicken also, it's a non-vegetarian. Chicken having the pH values 4.8 to 6.5. Okay, next one, fish and mutton consisting of a 6.8 pH value. It's near to neutral. Okay, these are the different application. Whatever it is, pH meter consisting of different number of applications is there in laboratory or medical sector. Medical applications. Next one, soil analysis. Okay, soil analysis, we identify soil pH value. After identification of soil pH value, what are the best ingredients present in pH of the soil? Which soil is the best one to grow up the plants? We easily identify by using soil analysis of pH. Okay, these are the different applications of pH meter. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. This is the pH metry. How to handle pH meter? What are the applications of pH meter? Thank you for listening.